Getting divorced doesn't have to turn into a nasty battle if everyone can agree on everything. Keep watching for the benefits of an uncontested divorce. What's an uncontested divorce? When most people think about divorce, they think of contested divorces. This is when both parties hire attorneys and bargain over who will leave the marriage with certain assets. In essence, they contest the outcome of the divorce process. In comparison, an uncontested divorce involves both spouses agreeing on the terms of their divorce. This includes child custody arrangements, child support arrangements, spousal support or alimony, handling of shared debts, how assets are divided, and more. You can reach an agreement on these matters yourselves or with the help of a mediator. After this, an attorney will draw up a divorce settlement for you to sign and follow. Who can apply? Uncontested divorces are ideal for couples with a mutual agreement about the end of their marriage. They will not work for couples seeking fault divorces. With the permission of the other person, one spouse can start the proceedings. Then both spouses will have to sign the settlement and appear in court to declare that they understand the terms of the divorce and that they have signed the settlement voluntarily. If a judge thinks your settlement is fair, then they will grant you a divorce. A simple proceeding. Uncontested divorce proceedings are much simpler than contested divorce proceedings. You and your ex can have a few focused meetings to discuss the terms of your divorce with a mediator. Once you have these in place, you can hire an attorney and share the cost to draw up your settlement. Then all you need to do is sign and file it with the state. As a result, there will be a lot less back and forth involved, and you won't need to hire a team of attorneys or make multiple appearances in family court. A cheaper process. On average, a divorce in America costs upward of $15,000, so they don't come cheap. However, because they are simple, uncontested divorces tend to be much cheaper than most other divorces. This is because you don't have to cover the cost of multiple attorney meetings or court appearances. You also won't need to pay for legal resources or administrative costs. Avoid trial. Around 5% of divorce cases go to trial in the US every year, and this can be a very expensive process. It also means that the outcome of your divorce is out of your hands. The judge will have the final say. With an uncontested divorce, you do not have to worry about this. The only time you'll have to appear in family court is to tell a judge that you willingly agree to the settlement. This spares you and your family a lot of unnecessary exposure and expense. It is important to note, however, that if either of you fails to disclose all of your assets during the process, you could end up in court. In that case, you will be liable for hiding assets and the court can hold you in contempt. If you are considering a divorce and you are on good terms with your ex-spouse, then an uncontested divorce might be the right option for you. This is a great way of streamlining the divorce process and coming to an agreement that everyone is happy with. It can help to use a mediator when discussing the terms of your uncontested divorce. These professionals help you discuss the terms of your divorce. They can also ensure that your divorce represents everyone's needs and interests. In that case, get in touch with Farewell Family Law Mediation today. We're happy to help.